Welcome to my channel. I am Subha, and in this video I am going to review a really wonderful tool that is Blogify AI. It helps to create blogs really fast. It's for bloggers, writers and content creators, and it has made their life a lot easier. As you can see, you can generate blogs from videos, from YouTube video, from Vimeo, from Rumble, TikTok, any video link, or upload your own video. So it helps you generate blog posts not only from videos but also from audio, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Podbean, SoundCloud, any audio link, or even you can upload your own audio. Thirdly, you can use the power of prompt engineering, and you can write a prompt here and use the functions, blog generation, first person, blog tone, and things like that. And you can also use the Copilot and generate blog posts really fast. You can also use the document functionality. You can use the Google Docs, any document link, or you can even upload your own document. You can also use the Amazon links, Shopify link, or any product link, and it will turn into a blog post. So in this video I am going to try the video. You can try this for free. The link is in the description below. Once you sign up, and you will be here on the dashboard. This is the overview section. Here you will see your previously created blogs, and down below you will see the blogs. Here I have already generated 2 blogs, and I have linked them to my Medium account, and I can publish them. You can also link a lot of other platforms including WordPress, Blogger, MailChimp, and others. So I have currently linked Medium. So now go back to the blog, generate blog, and on the video tab you can click on the YouTube video. Here you can paste any YouTube video and start creating your blog. Let me copy a URL from YouTube. As you can see, I have opened my own channel and I want to create a blog post from one of my video. This is instant puzzle generator review. So I will copy its link and I will go back to Blogify. I will paste the link here, and it will start analyzing the video link, and based on the video content it will start generating blog posts. Like you can see, it has grabbed the video. There are the blog settings. You can set to autopilot, or you can also use the Copilot. With autopilot it will add headings, subheadings, and choosing the power of AI. With Copilot you can set your own headings, subheadings, conclusion, intro, and things like that. So let me go with the Copilot section. Then is the blog point of view, first person, second person, and third person. I always use this I and we, that is the first person. Then is the blog tone. I most of the time select informative or conversational. Let's select conversational. You can also select neutral, engaging, inspirational, informative, professional, conversational, promotional, storytelling, educational, news, humorous, casual, review, how to. With this one I am going to use conversational. Blog size, you can also use small. It means the word count. Medium or large, I am going with the medium. Source language is US English, and the blog language should be English, that is global English. As you can see, I currently have 135 credits, and this is a credit based system. It charges you credits for every blog generation. So you can also take the generate TLDR after blog or before blog. I have selected add after blog. Give credit to the content creator if you use other content that you have, right? You should check this one. Write names of if I'm using video from someone else's. I'm using my own video, that's why I'm leaving it blank. Add cover, you can upload your own here. It has automatically grabbed the video thumbnail. You can also add images if you want to. You can select here and it will add into blog automatically. Then finally you can select publish and select the platform on which you want to publish it. At the moment I don't want to publish right away, so first I will generate the blog post, then I will use the publish button. So firstly click on generate blog. So it is working in the background. Very soon it will give us the output. So generating your blog outlines. We are analyzing the media. So I will wait and I will come back once the blog is ready. Now my blog is ready. It took around 1 minute. By using Copilot, it is giving me options to use blog title, create an outline, create talking points, and create content. I will click on create outline. It has already created an outline. Here is the intro section. Then is introduction to instant puzzle generator, exploring features and functionality, understanding upgrades and pricing, customization options for personalized puzzles, monetization opportunities with instant ChatGPT, instant puzzle generator. You can also drag any section up and down. You can add an additional heading here if you want to. Also, you can delete any heading if you don't want to include this. This is how you can quickly create a blog outline, and finally you will see the conclusion section. Next, you can click on the talking points, and under each heading it has already created talking points. Under introduction, it has created overview of the software and its purpose, benefits of using instant puzzle generator. You can either delete or add any other one if you want. So these are the functionalities of Copilot. Then you can click on generate, and it will start generating blog content for you based on your YouTube video or any other medium you have provided. So it will take some time. Now my blog is ready. It took me less than 5 minutes to generate a full blog from a YouTube video using Blogify. You can see this is the intro section here. You can always edit this. You can also bold, italic, add links, add commas, add headings. This is the basic editor here. You can see introduction to instant puzzle generator. Today I am excited to introduce to you a remarkable software tool that has revolutionized the world of puzzle creation, instant puzzle generator. That's a really cool intro for a blog post. Overview of the software and its purpose. Instant puzzle generator is a powerful puzzle creation software designed to simplify the process of generating word-search puzzle. Really amazing. The content is great, and it is based on my own video. That's really cool thing. I can quickly turn any video into blog post and generate content on scale using this simple software, that is Blogify.ai. The content is overall very great. I may need to add some images and add some tweaks to it before publishing on to my blog, that is Medium. Once you are done with the editing, you can click on the save button here. Finally, you can select your preferred platform. I am currently publishing it onto my Medium blog. I select Medium and then click keep it in draft, and I can also select publish automatically or schedule to publish, but I keep it in the draft. Then I click on publish, and I will check my Medium dashboard and I'll see that this is published as a draft there. So let me check my Medium account. Here I am on my Medium blog. I will go to stories, and under drafts you can see unveiling instant puzzle generator, a game-changing changer in puzzle creation. I can click on it, and here you can see I can add the title, I can add the content, add images, add links, and finally I can publish. So this is how you can quickly turn any YouTube video or any other platform video into a blog post really fast. Similarly, you can generate blogs from Vimeo, Rumble, TikTok, any other video link that is downloadable. Turn any downloadable video into a blog. Or if you have a video saved onto your hard drive, you can also use that as well. Other ways, you can use your own audio files, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Podbean, SoundCloud, any audio link, or upload your own audio. You can use any prompt to generate blog. You can also use any document, Google Docs, any document link, upload your own, or any web link from any Amazon product, Shopify product, any product link. You can turn into a blog post really fast with the help of Blogify AI. You can check out the link in the description below and get a 3-day free trial. That is all from me today. I will create more videos about this amazing blog creation tool as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.